Hello, my dear students. Welcome to English level number 1. Okay, my name is Marta Diaz. Okay, today we're going to see connectors and, but, or. Okay, we're going to see and. When do you use and? You use and to connect two ideas, two phrases, two different kind of sentences. Yeah, and connects positive ideas. So let's see the example. I can play video games. I can ride a bike. How do we organize a sentence? So we are going to give an example. I can play video games and ride a bike. I can cook. I can drive. Let's connect it. I can cook and drive. Another example. I can drink coffee. I can skate. I can drink coffee and skate. Okay, we have another possibility is to provide contrast in a sentence or in a idea. Okay, but connects a positive and a negative idea. Let's see the example. I can drive an airplane. I can't drive a race car. I can drive an airplane, but I can't drive a race car. Another example. I can eat cauliflower. I can't eat a hamburger. I can eat cauliflower, but I can't eat a hamburger. Let's see the use of or to provide more ideas. Or connects negative ideas. Let's pay attention with the example. I can't eat pizza. I can't eat popcorn. I can eat pizza or popcorn. Let's see another idea, another example. I can't drive a bus. I can't read in French. I can't drive a bus or read in French.